Good morning, Charlie's Angels. This is your boy Charlie back again with another video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel as we continue to rise up in 2022. As you can see where I'm at this morning. Cleaning this thing up. It's been dirty for a while. I let it soak for a while. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. We need to get these subscriptions up higher. Let it soak for a while. Let's see. Come back and rinse it off. Check me out on Instagram. So how y'all doing this morning? Such a beautiful morning today. So I'm at my favorite spot. As you can see, my favorite spot to come clean my car. So yeah, how y'all doing today? Hope everybody having a blessed day on today. Hope everybody is doing well. Getting ready for the weekend. You know, just enjoy life, man. I mean, you know, we here just to enjoy life. You know, not be worried about everything. You know, God is always in control, so you don't have to worry about nothing when He's in control. Only thing we gotta do is just stay at peace. You know, just be at peace. And everything gonna be okay. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this car right here, and I'll turn this camera back on. So here's the finished product. All clean, ready to go. Sorry for the traffic noise. Take you on the inside. Always clean. The red guts. Always clean. I know y'all like to see the camera. I'm getting ready to go change this right here, so don't worry about this. So Charlie's Angels, I need y'all to do me a favor. I need y'all to comment at the bottom, let me know how many camera owners that we have in the family. Comment and make sure y'all like this video on my camera owners. Just comment at the bottom, let me know who you are, and I'll shout your name out on my channel. So y'all do that for me, I would appreciate it. And I want to thank y'all for watching this video, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Okay, peace.